Hello guys! This lesson, we are going to learn how to use MP3 module to play music. Firstly, connect MP3 module to I2C interface of Raspberry Pi expansion board. The principle and the command used in this lesson can be viewed in file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open LX terminal, enter this command and press enter to come to the game programs category. Please note that you must be pay attention to case sensitivity and can filing keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and then press enter to start the game. Okay, let's look at the performance.